Swastika, it is not for me or you to say there is merit in the case. Let me ask you this question. Is there no merit in the case against Modi when Sri Lankan government says Modi actually lobbied, Modi actually pressured and convinced their president Gotabaya Rajpaksha to give a 6,000 crore contract to Gautam Adani? Will you show that in CNN? You work for CNN, right? Will you show this, whatever I'm just saying in CNN? Do you have the guts? Unfortunately, that's the problem in this country. Media has lost its spine. You don't, our Prime Minister is one. He calls India the mother of democracy, but he is the grandfather of hypocrisy. वो कभी मीडिया के सामने आते ही नहीं है, कभी एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लेते ही नहीं है, कोई सवाल करना है, कोई जवाब लाना है उनसे तो नामुमकिन है आपके लिए. वो क्या डायलॉग था वो डॉन में, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है, मोदी को पकड़ना जर्नलिस्ट के लिए मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है तुम्हारे लिए. पूछ सकती है. नहीं सुनो जल्दबाजी मत करो, इतना भी क्या है तुम्हारा एयर टाइम, इतना भी कॉस्टली नहीं है तुम्हारा. मैं क्या कह रहा हूं, आज अगर आप कहती हो इस आर्ग्यूमेंट में दम है कि नहीं, मैं आपसे सीधा पूछना चाहता हूं, मोदी के ऊपर जो आरोप आया उसके वो बारे में क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं? मोदी मन की बात सुनाते रहते हैं, परीक्षा पे चर्चे, पता नहीं कितना परीक्षा लिखा उसने, बट बहुत कुछ बोलते रहते हैं. क्यों बोलते नहीं अदानी के बारे में? आई एम सेइंग, नॉट मी एज अ पार्टी, बट वी आर सेइंग Gautam Adani is the proxy of Narendra Modi. Will he answer it? Will he stand up to scrutiny? Will he take a lie detector test? Does he have the guts to come in front of the country? आज मैं पूछना चाहता हूं आपसे, 95% of the cases that have been filed are against the opposition parties. क्या बीजेपी में सभी के सभी राजा हरिश्चंद्र के भाई और चचेरे भाई है क्या, रिश्तेदार हैं क्या? सारे बीजेपी वाले एकदम साफ सुथरे हैं और बाकी पूरा हिंदुस्तान में जितने भी ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज हैं. और मैं पूछना चाहता हूं आपसे, क्या कितने केसेस हुए इस पे? 3,000 करोड़ हेरोइन पकड़ा जाता है अदानी के पोर्ट में. 21,000 crore worth of illicit drugs coming into the country through Adani port. Should Adani not be booked? Should he not be behind bars? Who's stopping him? What is stopping you? So my question is, this harassment, this political vendetta and intimidation might work elsewhere for Narendra Modi. He's playing with fire, and I'm sure he will realize it in days to come. And I'm alleging directly, Gautam Adani is proxy of Narendra Modi. The double engine he talks about, the economic engine is Adani, the political engine is Modi. Adani siphons money by way of Modi's propaganda, gets that money in the form of electoral bonds and other funds, transfers it to BJP, and BJP then uses the same money to purchase MLAs, to dethrone governments, democratically elected governments, to split parties, and then if that doesn't work, they'll set all these agencies like hunting dogs against opposition parties to demoralize us, to ensure that political vendetta is carried. And I'm telling you, we will face it. This is not the first or last, I know that. This is not the first or last. In fact, almost 12 or 13 of our leaders have faced these inquiries already, CBI, IT, and ED, including ministers, MPs and MLAs. So this is part of that charade that Narendra Modi carries on. He's दूध का धुला हुआ पूरा दुनिया बदनाम है. तो इसीलिए मैं कह रहा हूं, is there not merit in the case is not for you and me to decide or media to decide or WhatsApp to decide and WhatsApp University Vice Chancellor Narendra Modi to decide. It is for the legal system of this country, it is for the courts of this country to decide, and I'm very confident because out of the 5,422 cases they have filed, ED, since Modi has come, conviction is only 23 cases, which is 0.0 or point whatever percent that is. So now you do your math and you tell me whether I'm right or wrong.